Alright guys, you ready? I got 2 boxes for you. You guys know, got Bravo Sierra. Love these guys. Great product, quality product, consumer friendly. And they make products for people with an active lifestyle like our armed forces. They donate a lot. They donate a lot of stuff to them, and how can you go wrong there? Just jump right in here, guys. You guys know. Usually look for quality products. That way I buy them so you guys don't have to. You can try them and open them. I mean, if I can open this, I open them for you guys. That way you guys can see everything. And again, you guys don't have to buy them. You can just come here and check them out. Let's get straight into this. Alright, so before I kind of opened these before, just to make sure all the contents were in here. But it don't matter. As long as everything is in here, we got a video for you guys. Alright, let's put this back. Alright, let's go. Let's see what we got here. You know, you guys know I love this stuff, but I run out, so I gotta update. So we got deodorant, quality, nice. You guys know they donate 5% of their sales to dedicate to the well-being of U.S. military service members, veterans, and their families. Can't go wrong with that. Made, right there, made in the U.S., not tested on animals. You guys know, quality products, amazing, made in the U.S. Very simple and very, very elegant to me. I think it's very elegant. All right, so that was deodorant. We got hair grooming paste. Interesting. They had a little bundle which I purchased. Put this aside. Let's see what we got here. Nice design. Always love their products. I just love how simple it is, and it's very, very elegant. And their hair body wash, you can use this to shave too. Very easy. Smells very clean. Smells very manly. Can't go wrong with that. Alright, now this is their hand repair cream. It's sealed. Go ahead. Nice, again, very nice. Let's see what this is. No odor, but again, hand repair cream. So for people on the go, very active people on lifestyles like our armed forces, our boys support. Small little bottle you guys can see. Very simple. Put it in your bag, backpack, whatever you got, and ready to go. Alright, simple. We got their body spray. Smells like the body wash. Very simple, again, elegant, nice and simple. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. It's what we like. Nothing too fancy. Nice. And our last item for this box. Nice. We got our Bravo Sierra beanie. Made in the US. Let's go ahead, make sure. It says Le Toque Quebec, whatever the heck, Quebecois. Made in USA by Los Angeles Apparel. Nice. Our workers are our partners, so made in the US. Gotta support. Quality, feels nice. Doesn't feel cheap either. Not like the little cheap ones. Nice and thick. Nice. Good quality. Can't complain. Let's put that aside right there. Oh, got chapstick. Nice little chapstick here. Simple. And I think that's it for box 1. Get that out the way. Alright, next one. Alright, cool. Let's start. We got shaving foam. Nothing too crazy, just simple shaving foam. Us for the guys, you know, if you're in the military, you gotta shave every day. Gotta look your best. Alright. We got face moisturizer. Nice. Can't really say much here. Just simple lotion. We got some more body wash. You can never have enough body wash, hair, and you can even use it as a shaving cream. Amazing. And as you guys can see, antibacterial body wipes. These guys are, oh my god, these are lifesavers. Take these everywhere you go. Put it in your bag, put it in your backpack, put it in your pocket. I don't care. Leave it in your car. These are lifesavers. I always try to load up on these. I believe they're like $10 a bag, or maybe a little bit more. I can't remember, but I'll leave a link down below. That way you guys can get to their website. But these guys, trust me, antibacterial body wipes. They smell like a dude. It's amazing. I can never get enough of these, and they're not even that expensive. Made in the US again, not tested on animals. Benzo, you guys can do your research, you guys know. Quality products. If you're on the run, you need to go somewhere quick. So you see if you guys can see it. If you need to go somewhere quick, just wipe this up down. These things are amazing. I previously opened it because I really wanted to use them when I checked if everything was in here. So this one's open because I used a couple. And the best part, kills 99.9% of germs. So if you guys can use this for other stuff, you know the stuff going around right now. Kills bacteria. It's biodegradable, alcohol free. So no parabens, no silicone, no sulfates, nothing bad. These guys make quality products for our armed forces, and if it's good for them, it's even better for us. So if trust me, quality. That's what I'm about. I love it. Let's see. All right, next one. We got another bag. I ordered a ton of these because they're amazing. Gotta love these guys. And last item. So this is, I guess, a little Go Ruck. I always like getting all their stuff. It's like a little Go Ruck bag. Let's go ahead and open this. Let me get that out the way. What is this? I've been collecting all their stuff, all the products they come out with. What is this? It's like a little bag, pretty much, like a little toiletry bag looking. Look at this. It says Shadow Pockets Black Large. Doesn't really help. Go Ruck. Maybe you can put all your stuff in here. I don't know. You know what? Perfect. Let's try this out. Boom, right there. These wipes. I don't know if I've showed you guys, but these wipes, very simple. Carry it around in your backpack, wallet, pocket, girlfriend's purse. Don't matter. Just throw it in there. Let's see. Throw this in here. Moisturizer. Carry all your toiletries in here. Boom. Carrier. Nice. Not bad. It could carry more stuff than it looks. And what it looks like it can. Get this out the way. It's not bad. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys. Show. That way you guys can see everything. All the stuff I like getting from Bravo Sierra. You guys should definitely look into them. I'll leave a link down below. You guys can check them out. Again, you can't go wrong with these. These guys make quality products for our armed forces. You guys can benefit, of course. If it's good for them, it's probably even better for you. You know, they're always working hard. They're not lazy like some of us, but you know what? Go check it out. Go get some, guys. That's pretty much it. Have a good one, guys.